With any cruise, there'll always be things you loved about it and things you didn't. Today, we share with you 3 things we loved and 3 things we didn't love in 3 minutes on our 3-night cruise with MSC Divina. The buffet food was very good. There's always a great selection every day. Their pizza is probably the best pizza on any cruise line and is a must try. They have a wide selection of desserts and fruits. A huge bonus, they use actual Nutella for dishes with hazelnut spread and not the cheap alternatives. The Divina offers entertaining traditional shows. Don't expect Broadway shows here, but expect to be entertained. Their shows were fun with solid talent. They are music and dance based, which makes it easy for anyone to enjoy. MSC offers some of the more affordable cruise trips in the industry. We paid only $265 per person for a 3-night interior guaranteed room. That's less than $100 per person per night. Compare that to other cruise lines where we have seen it to be at least triple that price. This cruise price is a steal. The main dining room was well decorated and had a nice vibe with good service. Unfortunately, we did not enjoy their food. The quality of the food was not on par with some other main dining rooms on other cruise lines we have been on. We also did not enjoy having to dine with others, especially when our desire on this vacation was just to relax and spend quality time with each other. Customer service was not great on this cruise line. We felt the front desk staff were not the friendliest and dismissive. We had a situation about having strong paint in our balcony room, only to be told that it will pass by the front desk. The boarding and disembarkation was also slow, a bit messy, and the terminal was not in the best shape. The MSC Divina is over 12 years old. Yes, we could see that there are some attempts to maintain and refresh the ship, but visually you can see it is getting old. This can be seen in the bathrooms, the carpet, and the rusted and weathered exterior. The MSC app also feels outdated and is in need of an upgrade. One bonus note, as BIPOC travelers, we noticed the diversity of passengers on this trip was the most we've seen compared to any other cruise trips on different cruise lines. You could hear so many different languages being spoken and it feels very multicultural. While this also means there may be groups with different cultural norms in terms of lining up, smoking, or personal space, we found it quite interesting. With all things factored, the strengths outweigh the weaknesses to us. This was still a great cruise line and definitely one we would go on again. Have you been on an MSC cruise? Share with us what you thought about it. Safe travels, and thanks for watching.